for this video because Minitoon just released a brand new Piggy 2 trailer, and I've not seen it, but you can see the image that Minitoon posted on his Twitter called The Real Minitoon. So let's start. Oh, by the way, subscribe to Minitoon if you want to see Piggy 2, because if you don't, Piggy 2 will never come out. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1, go! Look, he's back! It looked like he's holding an antelope. What Badgie was holding, but it was blue. Zizzy? She calling out for help? Oh no, there's a broken door. What? It's Grandpa Pig! Will it be called Grandfather then? Pony? Pony? Uh-oh! There's a broken door. A potion, but it's blue, not green.